230 and 232. 230 is the studio, but it can also be combined with this to make a bigger suite. This is 232. This is what's called a junior suite. And as you walk in over here on your left, you have your closets, little sitting area, desk with a chair, 2 US power, 2 USB, and a European. Nice lighted mirror. Over here, you see this is what the beds look like when they're twins. They just move the end table to the inside, right? You have a nice sitting area here with 2 chairs and a coffee table, as well as a sofa on this side. There is a coffee and a teapot here. Mini fridges there and a couple shelves. That TV is on a swivel, so it can face the bed if you want them to. So let's go look at the bathroom. Toilet's in a great place for someone my size at 6'4". You have a shub tower combo. That's going to be a little bit tight for someone my height because it's raised up a little bit. I don't want to stand in there because it's clean, but it's up about 4 or 5 inches. So it's going to be really tight for someone my height. If you see up there, right? So imagine me standing 4 inches taller than that. Over here is your balcony. This is considered a junior suite with a large balcony. As you can see, it is a large balcony. Got 2 loungers there, plus 2 chairs. Lots of space here. And great views looking forward down the ship. Can't see to the back of the ship, but you can see forward. Lisa was pointing out those closets. I mentioned them, but I didn't open them, so let's go ahead and open them up. So, right, and it goes all the way down through there. All right, so there is your junior suite with large balcony. We're going to continue on and show you cabin 230, which is, again, can be combined with that suite, but it's its own room. It's called a studio. This is made for one person. So you have a full-size bed. There's some cabinetry above, and it's virtual, so you also have a look outside through the LED wall there. There's some storage there for clothing and some drawers. Little seating area. You don't have the chair, but you have a little stool. Same power, 2 US, 2 European, 1 European, 2 USB. One of these days I'll hit that right. And you do have a TV there. Nice dressing mirror. The bathroom, since it can be a separate cabin on its own, it's got its own bathroom. So toilet and great place for someone my height at 6'4". There's power up there, some shelves, decent sized sink, not too big, not too small, and a nice stand-up shower. Awesome. So that is your studio. And whether you're doing it on your own as a studio or you're doing it in combination with the junior suite, you can have it either way. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Ciao.